Most fires in the home start in the kitchen. We're going to talk about how you can be safe when cooking. The leading cause of kitchen fires is unattended cooking. Stay in the kitchen when frying, boiling, grilling, or broiling. When simmering, baking, or roasting, it's okay to leave the kitchen, but it's a good idea to give yourself a reminder, like setting a timer. Stay alert. Don't cook when you are tired. Fires can start when people are tired and not paying attention, or even fall asleep while cooking, have been drinking alcohol, or taking drugs or medications that make them drowsy. Only cook when you are alert. Keep things that can catch on fire away from heat sources. This includes things like oven mitts, tea towels, curtains, cooking utensils, and food packaging, and even your own clothing. There are a number of ways to avoid burns when cooking. Turn pot handles inward so they can't get bumped or grabbed. Keep children and pets at least 1 meter away from the cooking area or anywhere that hot foods or drinks are prepared. Never hold a child while cooking or carrying hot food. Small appliances should never be plugged into an extension cord. It can overload the circuit and cause a fire. Periodically inspect the cord and all other parts of the appliance for cracks, damage, breaks, or signs of overheating. Replace or repair as necessary. Here's what to do if you have a fire while cooking. Always keep a lid nearby if you are cooking on your stovetop. If you have a fire, turn off the burner and slide the lid onto the pot to smother the fire. Do not move the pan. Leave the lid on until the pan has cooled. If you have a fire in the oven, turn off the heat. Do not open the door. Generally, a fire in an oven will extinguish itself if you keep the door closed. Your oven will need to be serviced by a professional before you can use it again. Every kitchen should have a fire extinguisher, but they do have their limitations. When in doubt, just get out. When you leave, close the door behind you to help contain the fire. Then call 911 once you're outside. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to West Vancouver Fire Department's YouTube channel and watch our other fire safety videos.